just want to get you updated with a thing I'm working on. It's like Teardown, but on Scratch. Put some planks. A little target up there that I'm trying to get. Destroy this ladder and have this ladder fall down. Save and load. Which, yes, there's a quick save and load, just like the original Teardown. Anyways, I'm going to start. Yes, I would like to start. No! So yeah, that went to crap. Let's look at that. The code is finally working. Just to show a random number instead of actual number that's going left. That's enough. This thing isn't the only map. Just showing the first one. Let's go. 1.3 seconds left. And map 3, which is currently in development. In development. So it's not ready. Anyways, add an actual different map. Warehouse themed. Oh no, I'm stuck behind the wall. No, they're just pillars. And then realisticness. Oh. So this part too. Let's go. Anyways, now I'm starting to flood the place. It's time to start.